So I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my short distress lock. So now I'm putting in the attachments and I'm bringing it out on the other side, and I'm going to be taking the attachment and the braid together, and now I'm going to be unraveling the crochet weave that I have. It's not necessarily a crochet weave, but that was the closest thing I could find to improvise with because I wanted to make this hair so bad. So now I'm unraveling it. I'm splitting them into two to make them look ruffled. Yes, and now I'm done with the unraveling, and now I'm going to be crocheting that with the leftover braid that I have on my head. And now I'm going to be wrapping. As you can see, there is a long side and a short side, so you're going to be holding the short side with the hair you have before, and then you'll be using the long side to wrap the hair that is in your right hand basically. And now I'm doing that, wrapping and wrapping. And when you're wrapping, you want to make sure that you're not allowing the attachment to show, especially if you're using a colored attachment like I'm doing right now. So yes, and now I've successfully wrapped it. Wrapping. Yes, now I'm going to be placing your attention here. As you can see, I'm almost done. I'm measuring right now and I'm almost done. Now I'm going to be wrapping at anti-clockwise. I'm going to be wrapping back up and not down anymore, so I can secure the lock. So now I'm doing that and until the end. And once you are done wrapping, you want to rub it so you don't see the end part, and then you want to cut out the excess attachment and bond the tip to secure the lock. And yes, that's how I achieved my short distress lock. And this is the video of me in second day showing you guys what I come up with, or what I came up with rather, and I hope you guys like it. It's short and beautiful and painful, but then it's fine. Anything for beauty. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you.